Passengers at Amsterdam Airport Schiphol use passenger bridges to get from the gate to the aircraft they are boarding. Amsterdam Airport Schiphol currently has 111 of such passenger bridges in use. At present, 40% of these have passed their technical lifespan of 20 years, requiring more maintenance to be carried out year by year. Pursuant to an inquiry conducted in 2009, the airport has decided to replace all passenger bridges that have been in service for 20 or more years. A long-term replacement program is now in place, providing for the replacement of an average of 5 passenger bridges each year. In 2010, Amsterdam Airport Schiphol and Aéroport de Paris organised an international tender. The best offer for the delivery and installation of passenger bridges in terms of quality and affordability was made by CIMC Chandar. This company is the world's largest manufacturer of passenger bridges. The long-term replacement program includes the replacement of over-the-wing OTW bridges. The OTW bridge was not suitable to handle the Airbus A380. Following extensive consultation with, among others, the airlines, Schiphol has chosen the worldwide applied double apron drive concept. Replacing an OTW bridge by a double apron drive bridge takes a total of 6 weeks. Once a bridge has satisfactorily passed the factory acceptance test in China, it is prepared for sea freight to Rotterdam, a journey that takes 4 to 6 weeks. Goods that cannot be shipped in containers, such as passenger bridges, are placed in the ship's hold for safety reasons. Special covers are used to protect the bridges from the saline sea air during their journey. Upon arrival at the port of Rotterdam, the 38-ton bridges are unloaded onto large flatbed trailers for transport to Amsterdam Airport Schiphol. Once the passenger bridges have passed through customs, the 35-metre-long bridge components can be transported to Schiphol. To ensure the least possible nuisance to other traffic, this slow-moving transport takes place at night. A distance of 60 kilometres has to be covered, taking about 3 hours in total. The installation of a new passenger bridge starts as soon as it arrives at the airport. CIMC Chandar and Schiphol's main contractor collaborate closely on the installation of the passenger bridges, ensuring that the expertise of both parties is used fully during the installation. First, all bridge components, such as the tunnel, frame and wheel set, are assembled. The platform is enlarged and refurbished, and the docking system for the airplanes is modified. An additional fuel point is placed to supply the A380. At a busy airport like Amsterdam Airport Schiphol, overrunning deadlines for projects like these simply is not an option. It is imperative that the passenger bridge fits perfectly and without any problems. Safety is a critical consideration when dismantling and installing passenger bridges, and all risks that pose a safety hazard during these operations must be avoided. Once the entire structure has been assembled and checked, the electrical wiring and hydraulic elements are connected. The structure is completed with the assembly of smaller parts and a thorough test. Once the passenger bridge is installed and fully operational, it is subjected to a site acceptance test to ensure it meets all the specifications and safety requirements set by Amsterdam Airport Schiphol. Gates G09 and E18 are rebuilt so they can accommodate the larger numbers of passengers inside the terminal. The gate's waiting area is extended and refurbished according to the latest insights, focusing on the needs of the passengers. Once the passenger bridge has passed the test and thus satisfied all requirements, it can officially be taken into operation. A big difference between the old OTW bridge and the new double apron drive bridge is that with the OTW, one door was connected in front of the wing and one door behind the wing. With the double apron drive bridge, both doors of the airplane are connected in the front wing. With the commissioning of this passenger bridge, all parties involved have demonstrated that the installation of a new passenger bridge in a high-use area can be achieved successfully with ambitious planning.